Hi, my name is Elif. I work as software specialist at Garanti Technology Mobile Applications team. Garanti Cep Şubesi, which are most popular banking applications, are our team's products. There are lots of different devices in the market with lots of different capabilities. Because of being a bank, we should provide service to all of our customers. And some of the devices have some low memory issues. Do not keep activities options, which is lying on the developer options, gives us the opportunity of simulating these low memory issues. Today I'm going to tell you the most important and common low memory issue, which is your activities being recreated. The system may destroy your activity if it had stopped or hasn't been used for a long time, or the foreground activity needs more resources, so the system will destroy your activity to recover the memory. Let's think about money transfer transaction. There are lots of selections in the page. Sender account, branch selection. If there is a low memory issue happens when the user at selection page, let's say that account selection, user selects the account and turn back to the main page, and because of low memory, all the selections, all the fields will be cleared. If your activity stops because of a low memory issue, then onSaveInstanceState method will be called by the system. And you can save all your data what you want in this method. And after being recreated your activity, the onRestoreInstanceState method will be called. So you can restore back all your data in here. And the system uses bundle object in this solution. The official solution wasn't enough in our case, because being recreated of your activity means to us the users start transaction from very start and select all the selections again and again. Of course, we could use onSaveInstanceState method and official solution, but it would mean high cost. So we simulated the problem and developed another solution. If you use one activity for whole transaction and a fragment for each related page, then your activity won't be recreated and you will complete your transaction in one activity. If you want to solve the foreground background cases, then you can use your components, custom components onSaveInstance method, activities onSaveInstance method, and you can save all the data. But if you think about your users uses another application or at another transaction, it won't be a real problem to lose the data which is not using one. One last issue I want to talk about is our bundle object, which you use for saving data and passing data between activities. Bundle object has a maximum storage limit, and if you have to keep more than this maximum limit, then you have to develop some other solutions. In that case, you want to use your device's local storage maybe, but it won't be a safe solution. Our solution is, in that case, is use a hash map that will align with your application. I talk about the common low memory issue and how we solve it. My advice to all Android developers: select this option before submission and control their applications. They don't have to solve every low memory issue, but at least they could know which problems the users have faced with.